Hey fam, somebody Pinot. Today's recipe video is going to be on Aw Gai. It is a hearty Laotian soup that uses a lot of vegetables and any protein you like. The protein is used very minimally. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. Cut the lemongrass and mince the tender portion and then set it aside. The top portion could be bruised and used to season your broth. For all the vegetables used in your soup, cut it to bite-sized pieces and aim for the leafy greens to be about 2 inches long. This step is totally optional. I only do it just to add color and smell to the soup. Next, we're gonna make the paste for the soup. You add glutinous rice, shallots, lemongrass, and some chili pepper. Blend into a paste and set it aside. Next, add oil to the stock pot and cook your protein. I'm using 4 chicken legs here, but you can use any protein you want. Add a splash of fish sauce and bruised lemongrass to flavor the meat. Add your paste and stir it around for at least 1 minute until you start smelling the aromas. Add water to 2/3 of the pot, or about 8 to 12 cups of water. You could adjust the flavor as you go. Season the water with chicken bouillon. If you use chicken stock instead of water, you could skip this step. Add your vegetables when the pot comes to a boil. Keep stirring and pushing down the vegetables so you can add more vegetables. Once you have added all your vegetables, season your broth with fish sauce and unfiltered fish sauce. In Lao, we call this padeak. Cook the broth for an additional 2 to 5 minutes. Adjust the savory flavor to your taste with fish sauce and padeak. Thank you for watching, fam. Please subscribe and like.